Hi, welcome back. Daniel Parsons here. I'm an affiliate with Prife International. We have the iTeraCare devices and soon to have the iTera Bio foot massager. And also, we've got the Seven Wonders water bottles. And that is fascinating how you can take your pure water and create the healthiest water on the planet and hydrogen water. It's fascinating to learn about this. Got a quick update to share with you, and I want to go right into the iNetwork. There's a new form. So you no longer have to do a second step when you're enrolling people using the register process. You used to have to do a second step where you would log into the new client's account and do their product redemption. This is getting better, the back office. I want to say a couple of things here. You can reach me from anywhere in the world. We've got a global team now on all six of the main continents. We're not on Antarctica. Now, I don't know if somebody at McMurdo Station will order a device. Boy, that would be something. We would be on all seven continents. So you can reach me by email anywhere in the world, daniel@parsonsmarketing.net. And there's my last name right there with a P like Papa. And you can reach me on Telegram, Daniel Parsons. That's my handle. And then my phone number is right here. And I give that phone number out for my customers, future customers, and current customers. And I'm here to keep that phone line open. It's going to be real quick and short, and I'm going to get your questions answered with training videos from Rumble for all of my current customers, because this way I'm quickly able to service you. The other thing is my phone gets calls, people asking me, hey, I've got the iTeraCare device and I bought it from somebody in, my neighborhood here in, let's say, Florida. Okay. You need to work with those people because I don't have any extra, what do you call it, pull or chutzpah or whatever you want to call it. If you were flying Lufthansa to Germany, I've got a client that's getting ready to go to Germany. Well, you wouldn't call Swiss Air or Air France and talk to them about your flight on Lufthansa. So I hope you understand the same principle in the USA. If you were a United Airlines customer, uh, you wouldn't call Alaska Airlines to talk about your seat on United Airlines. So I hope you understand. It's just the nature of business. We only have so much time working each day. And so I keep my phone open for future customers and current customers. Work with your sponsor. Okay, that being said, let's refresh the screen and get in here and show you this new form. And one other thing to help prevent any future problems, if you contact me and then you go and you start looking, because people like to search for things and we understand that. And oftentimes there'll be confusion. Somebody will contact me for a device and then they keep looking and then they'll find a device of one of the people that actually stocks up a whole bunch of these devices and does the distribution for the company. Well, they're an affiliate just like I am. And so what we need to do is to always share who is it that you want to purchase the iTeraCare from. You have the choice as to who is going to be your sponsor. And we would really like for you to be on our team. We have a global team. So let's get in here. You always need to say, hey, if you're on somebody that I've sponsored, you're on part of our team. You're a part of our group, and I definitely want to be able to help you also. Couple of real quick things. Your top-up link is still your top-up link. You can still pay your maintenance if you don't have enough in your bonus wallet. You see right here, you would just go in here and put $30 in the amount, and you can do that. Why pay your maintenance? Because at the end of 12 months, Prife gives you a free classic device. Why would you not want to every year keep earning commissions and getting that free device. That being said, I want to go out of this screen and get back to this screen right here. Now, you can do the pen part on this new form if you want to. Sometimes the stockist will send you a pen. That is a good way to do it. However, I think register is the short, sweet, simple way to do it. You would just go in here, and I've got a client that's coming in from South Africa. And right now, unless the international office tells me that he doesn't have inventory to use international stockists, we're going to go with Kenya because he is an African stockist. I would go next step. Now watch what happens. Here are all the products that are available in Africa. They've got coffee, and they looks like they've got some alfalfa concentrate. And then here we go. We've got the 7 Wonders, the Pro, and the Classic. So I would just simply add that to the cart, just like any other website you do business with. And so it's going to come down here, and I've added it to the cart. It's just taking time here for some reason. Oh, there it is. I've added 3 into the cart. Okay, so you could actually add in another device there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to 2 classics and leave 1 premium. Okay, so there we go. We've got 2 classics and a premium. So the total price now is $1,280. Okay, and you would need to have your people use that top-up link I first showed you to put $1,280 into your register wallet so that they could do that order. And then here's the wonderful thing right here. You just simply go down and choose a username for your new customer, their name, put your username here, okay? Hit the show, and then it'll give you a placement option. Then you're going to put their email, your new customer's email. Now, in delivery method, you want to hit courier. And when you do that, right here, you've got the option 1 premium and then 1 classic. Just hit those little arrows in the far right of that box. And then recipient, their mobile number, their email, their address. Pretty simple, isn't it? Then your security password and hit submit. So this is wonderful. It's shortening the time it takes to register people. Now, to get the delivery order report of your new client, you will have to log in to their account with their username that you just created right up here, okay? And use the password. It's a temporary password, 123456. Okay. And then you go into navigate down here in the bottom left. And then when you hit navigate, you're going to scroll down here and you're going to see product order report. Okay. And I still get questions about device warranty. Right here is where it is. In the emails that I send to all of my clients, I'm telling you right away to go ahead and do your device warranty, okay? If you don't, it's no big deal. You can go in to the bottom right-hand side here is the info button. Click on the info button, and there's contact customer service. When you hit contact customer service, add a new topic, register warranty. You see, I've got this ticket right here, okay? 2 tickets right there. I've actually got to go in and do a new one today. And that way I'll have the warranty registered for a new client that I just sponsored. So that being said, that's pretty much it. This new form is showing us that we can actually do away with that step that we had to do that product redemption in the past for all of our people in Europe and overseas. But now you can do it quite simple. That being said, this is Daniel at parsonsmarketing.net. I own Daniel Parsons Ministry LLC. It's registered in the state of Washington, United States of America, in Olympia, our state capital. I'm on the books. I've been in this industry since 2005, and I enjoy working with all different kinds of people that the Lord God sends my way, and I will do my best to help you. Sometimes it gets really crazy in the week, and I might tell you I'm backed up, but I will get to you. So, that being said, God bless you, and I look forward to working with you. And please work with your sponsor. I can't say that enough. And then if you call me and you have been working with someone, you need to tell me, hey, you sponsored, I'm not going to use any of my team members' name for privacy. You sponsored this person, and this person wants me to sponsor. I have somebody I want to sponsor. Now, those kind of situations, I'm here for you because I'm the leader of the person that sponsored you. So I hope you understand that. This is affiliate marketing. All the stockists are affiliates. And so, one last thing, I do keep a few classics, and I got 2 7 Wonders water on hand for people that are just customers and they just want a device and they don't want an account with iNetwork through Prife International. And I also am now shipping all of the documents in color for an additional $20. So that being said, this is Daniel. God bless you, and bye for now.